Welcome back, guys, to another video. This one is all about mid-length hairstyle ideas. So if you guys didn't know, mid-length hair is pretty much the perfect length. It is a length that provides a lot of styling options, but it's not real long, so you don't have to worry about not knowing what to do with it, because sometimes when you have super long hair, you don't know what to do with it. But mid-length provides that perfect in-between of short and long. So the first video hairstyle is of a French braid. Loving the way her highlights look mixed in with this combination with the French braided style. Such a gorgeous look. This is a style that you can wear to any formal event, or if you just want to try it out for a day to see how it looks. All right, so let's get into hairstyle number two rather. This one is also a French braid, but she does feature kind of an easier technique or way of doing it. And she tucks the bottom under so that it looks a little bit more polished. This could even be a hairstyle if you were getting married that would make for a great updo. Very polished style, and this is a much easier way to do a French braid versus the first technique. Moving on to hairstylist number 3, she is doing, I'm not sure what that is called, where they add, well, she's adding in a piece, but I'm not sure what that particular piece is called, but it looks as if she's going to be doing another updo. Even though these are mid-length hairstyles, you can add hair if you want to create a longer style, if that's something that you desire to do as well. Extensions are a great way to add length as well as thickness if you feel that your hair is not able to create these styles on their own. So this is pretty much like a halo braid, gorgeous, perfect for a special occasion, or if you just want to mix it up and do something different with your hair. Alright, so the next hairstyle looks like she's going somewhere fancy. She's got like a sequin top or a dress that she's wearing. And the stylist is just kind of waving the hair with a flat iron. And then she's doing beautiful waved pieces in the front. Now the stylist is spraying the hair down with some holding spray, as well as slicking the front down and pinning it to the side. This once again is great for a style if you want to mix it up, or if you just want to try something different, or if you are going to a formal event. So the next hairstyle includes some beautiful, gorgeous curls. I am always in awe of how stylists are able to curl the hair like this with a flat iron, because I, for the life of me, cannot figure it out. Doesn't matter how many tutorials I watch, this is just something that, you know, I'm just not gifted in. Alright, so she's using powder to kind of add a little bit of volume at the root of the hair and to just kind of break up the curls, which she just did. She's adding the powder throughout to create more volume and texture. And now she is adding that holding spray to hold the curls. Beautiful, gorgeous, wavy curls. And this, of course, is a classic retro hairstyle, the deep wave, flawless makeup, everything. So gorgeous. Alright, so next we have a simple half up, half down bun hairstyle. This is a look that is perfect for every day, so don't feel as if you can't achieve this particular hairstyle. This is something that most girls will be able to achieve with mid-length hair. Or longer, of course. Alright, so next we see a woman and she is getting those beautiful curls. Now she is using a curling iron for this. And she's working the curls up using the spray. And it looks like she's going to do a half up, half down hairstyle. She's leaving a little bit of volume at the crown. And she's kind of twisting, doing like a knotted ponytail, and then she's adding a fishtail braid to the look. Ooh, this is really pretty. This is a gorgeous hairstyle that you can rock any season, any occasion. Simply stunning. And it looks like she added a bit of hair accessories for some pop. Looks like lavender. Very pretty. Alright, so next we see a hairstyle that starts off with 3 sectioned ponytails. And then they are twisted. And my guess is she's probably going to do an updo hairstyle with this. She's kind of breaking apart the twist, fluffing it out, making it bigger so that it has more volume in it. She's pulling and thickening up the roots to give the style some more height. And then she is twisting around the twist. Yes, so she's creating a very beautiful updo. Once again, this is something that you can wear every day if you wanted to, even though it is an updo. I believe that that is a style that is something that you could wear every day. Alright, so next we see someone using some hair extensions, some clip-ins to just create more volume and length. And then they are, of course, curling it with a curling iron. And then she's doing a half up, half down. Oh no, wait, she's doing a twisted. It looks like an updo she's gonna try and do. Yeah, so she twisted I've never seen that before, where they twist it all around and then they tuck the bottom up under. And then she's adding a few pieces in the front just for some variety and face framing layers. Very pretty hairstyle. Alright, so we have our last video for today, and the stylist is curling the hair once again with that flat iron. I still don't know how they are able to do this. And she's getting very beautiful curls. And then she's using that powder again to kind of add volume and texture to the overall look. And then she's kind of combing it out, tousling it out, smoothing it down at the rooted area. And then she's using holding spray in order to set the overall style. Then she's using highlight to pop the cheek out. Alright, so this is a very pretty look. I love her makeup too. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed these hairstyles. Leave me your thoughts on which one was your favorite in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.